In the dark of the jungle where the moon glows bright, whispers float softly in the silent night. Leaves start rustling, who could it be? Shadows are dancing behind every tree. Listen closely, don't make a sound.
Spooky animal voices are all around. Are you ready? Let's explore if you dare!
From the jungle deep comes a mighty lion.
Roar!
Roar! Hear the king replying.
Roar!
Big gray elephant stomps along.
Toot, toot!
Sings a trumpet song.
Striped zebra runs so fast.
Neigh, neigh, zooming past.
Little pink pig in the muddy ground. Oh, good funny sound.
Strong gorilla beats his chest. Aha! He's the best.
Gentle cow goes moo so slow.
Moo, moo, don't you know?
Silly donkey laughs all day.
Hero, hero, in a funny way.
Heavy rhino stomps the land.
Grunt, grunt, big and grand.
Spooky sounds in the night go boo. Animals singing just for you. From the jungle to the zoo. Listen close, can you hear them too?
Roar, oi, oh, hee-ha. Spooky voices, ha, ha, ha.
Sneaky leopard creeping low.
Gear, gear.
Soft and slow.
Sneaking monkey swings around.
E-e-e-e.
Silly sound.
Fast horse runs with the beat.
Nay, clip-pop dancing feet.
Tall ostrich runs away. Boom, boom.
All the way. Noisy baboon shouts so loud.
Bark, bark.
In a crowd.
Fluffy llama hums along.
Gentle song.
Ang buffalo stomps with pride.
Huff, huff, side to side.
Fierce tiger in the night.
Roar! What a sight!
Soft white sheep says goodnight.
Ba, ba,
Sleep tight.
strong ram bumps with might. Ba, ba,
What a fright. Hairy yak up in the cold.
grr, moo, brave and bold.
Spooky sounds in the night go boo. All the animals sing for you. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Make those spooky rhythms beat.
Roar, I, ooh, hee-haw. Sing along. Ha, ha, ha.
Now the jungle sleeps once more.
No more sounds like before.
But if you listen late at night,
You might hear them out of sight. Grrr, spooky sounds whisper low, where the wild animals go.